When you add an original recipe to Prepear, you have control over who can see, plan, and cook your recipe. If you're just creating a new recipe, you'll be able to set the privacy setting for that recipe right on the recipe creation screen. If you've already created a recipe, you can access and change your privacy options by entering the recipe details screen, tapping the three dots in the top right corner, and hitting Edit Recipe. Scroll to the bottom of the Edit screen to see your privacy options. If you set your recipe to public, anyone in Prepear can see it, bookmark it, and add it to their meal plan. If you set your recipe to Grapevine, your recipe isn't added to our searchable database, but your friends can still see and share the recipe. If you set your recipe to Secret, only you will be able to see it. You set privacy settings for recipes on a case-by-case basis. You may make one recipe private, another Grapevine, and a third secret.